Hello everyone, this is Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers, and I just wanted to hop on really quick and share with you an awesome special that Stampin' Up! Has going on starting now, August 3rd through the end of September, and that is Sale-A-Bration. We have a new round of Sale-A-Bration. That's always super fun, but what I want to go over in Sale-A-Bration is they have an actual join special. So stick with me for a minute or two and let me show you and explain what the ultimate bundle, which I like to call it, the starter kit could look like for you during the next 2 months. So our starter kit is always the best deal in the catalog. If you love Stampin' Up! Products, if you have a really big wish list, then this might be the option for you. So what you get to do in our starter kit is you get to pick out anything you want, any products that you want for the total $125. But you only pay $99. So you get to pick out $125, but you only pay $99 and you pay tax, but you get shipping for free. Now, so that's always an awesome deal, always the best deal, and there literally are no strings attached once you get your kit in the mail. During Sale-A-Bration, in the next 2 months, there are several bundles in the back here. You get to pick a free bundle on top of it, so they're sweetening the deal. So I would like to show you, if I were to pick out a starter kit right now, I want to show you what I would pick out and my free bundle I would pick out. And again, you can change this, but I want to show you how much stuff you can actually get in a starter kit because it's quite amazing. So I personally, I love so many products, so it's very difficult to pick. But one of the first suites that caught my eye in the new holiday catalog was the Peaceful Place suite, which features the Peaceful Cabin bundle. So this bundle right here, there's a set of dies that coordinate with it. They have a beautiful pack of ribbon. It's like some ribbon. Some beautiful shimmer sequins, so you get those. There is a new timber embossing folder, like a wood grain, so that comes with it. And then there are a pack of specialty designer series paper, 12 by 12. It's beautiful paper. It has little like silver in it, and it's just like shades of gray and silver, and I just love this paper. So you get a full pack of that, and then you also get these white velvet sheets, 2 of these also. So this whole suite is $99 itself, so I would pick that for my starter kit. And then I would also get this adorable pack of paper, the Sweet Stockings Designer Series paper. This is 12 by 12, and I would get the coordinating dots, and then these cute little dots. And then I would also pick up the wonderful snowflakes because I think these would look really good with my cabin little suite that I have here. That leaves me 50 cents left over. So I would get all of this. And then for my free bundle, can you pick which one I would select? I would select the Sweet Little Stockings bundle is my free one. So I would get all of this stuff, 2 full bundles, 1 whole suite, and then plus part of another suite because I would get the paper and these little dots. And that is just an awesome deal. With your starter kit, you also get a bunch of business supplies. They'll send you some catalogs and order forms and things like that. I believe you get a paper pumpkin as well in your starter kit. And like I said before, you can just get the kit and be a happy shopper. So that means that you can place your own orders and get a discount on Stampin' Up! Supplies. I have a lot of those in my team, and we love them and welcome them into our team as well. I also have people in my team. If you wanted to hold a class or something for some of your friends or family, you can do that too, and we will help teach you how to do that if you want that. If you don't, that's totally okay. So there's a little bit of everything in my team. I have a team, we have around 100, and we are spread out all over the United States. So we have a group of us in Michigan, but we are really spread out all over, from the East Coast to the West, from the North to the South. And we would love to have you join us if you love Stampin' Up! As much as we do. A little bit about my team and why you might want to join our team is we are a very active team. We have a private Facebook team page, and in there's a lot of stuff going on. Every month I offer a monthly team meeting, and we have been doing those on Zoom during the pandemic. Hopefully soon we can start meeting in person for those that are local, but we will still always remain with that one on Zoom as well, so people can log in all over. And we record that too. It's on the team page. So I do a team meeting. I give all my team all my tutorials for free, so they get access to all of that. We have monthly creative challenges, so you can make cards and enter them, and I always give lots of prizes away. We offer business challenges. And again, if you did want to do classes or run a little bit more of a business, we have a separate group where we do weekly business training. And so we got you covered. If you love Stampin' Up! And you want to be involved with a very active team, we would love to have you join our team. There's a link below that you can get more information and how you can join my team. And again, the kit, this is just a sample of maybe what I would pick if I were to buy it on August 3rd, but you can pick out anything you want. There are tons of punch bundles if you don't like the dies. We have punches, we have stamps, there's tons of embellishments, so many things you can get and pick out. And then after you join, you can instantly start saving and become a discount shopper, and you will save on all of your orders. So I would love to have you join us. If you have any questions you can either comment below or reach out to me, and I would love to answer those. And I hope that you would take advantage of this great deal that Stampin' Up! Is offering during Sale-A-Bration through the end of September of 2021.